Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stare, the way you wrote it for me, yeah, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reese. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reese Gang. As you can see, I have a new wig to show y'all. This hair is brought to you by Ali Pearl Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside this box, how I customize this wig, and also a tutorial on how I achieve these baby hairs. So if that's something you are interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this pretty pink box, there's some information on how to take care of the wig, also a wig bag to store it, a wig cap, a elastic band for extra security, some eyelashes, and 2 head wraps for you. This wig is 30 inches and it's an HD lace, girl, so this will melt onto your scalp. She is 30 inches loose, deep wave, so beautiful, 200% density, 13x4 lace wig. And did I tell you she's pre-plucked already? So straight out the bag, she's ready to go. Of course, it's adjustable straps and combs. So even though she is already pre-plucked, ready to go, we of course have to be extra and add in some bleach to bleach those knots. The bleach should be looking like this. If it falls off, that means it's too watery for you. So of course I'm going to add this to the wig and basically let that sit for about 20 minutes, wash it out with purple conditioner and shampoo, and we're going to get into plucking this unit. You guys, this hairline is already gorgeous. You can literally skip this step if you get this unit, but of course I'm so extra and I really want to show you how I pluck this unit. So of course I'm doing Arrogant Tay's method with a white towel. I press the hair down so I can see how the hairs is gonna lay onto my head. I put her in a headlock upside down and pluck downwards. I try not to pluck where the knots are. I pluck at least 2 inches or an inch lower than where the knots are tied, if that makes sense. So visually I think you guys can see it. The hairline is so thin already, so you don't have to do too much plucking. It only took me 10 minutes to pluck this unit, you guys, versus a non-plucked unit that usually takes me about 30 to 40 minutes. So definitely this is a A+ in my book. Look at how gorgeous this hairline is. Oh my gosh. So you guys, this is what the hair looks like after I put my foundation, bleach knots, all of that. When I put this wig on, it was a little too small for me when I was adjusting this wig. It was past my natural hairline, so what I had to do was cut a little of the frontal off of the wig cap itself so it can fit me perfectly. If you want a more detailed version of how to do that, I just uploaded a video on what to do when your wig is too small. So definitely, if you're thinking about this unit and getting this unit, buy a size up just in case, because it's way better to have a wig that's too big versus a wig that's way too small, and then you can't put your hair up in a high ponytail if that's something you would like to do. So I'm going to give you guys a quick review. This is me a week later, and overall I love this unit so much. I loved how it came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to use too much elbow grease when styling and customizing this wig. The hair is gorgeous. I'm actually surprised I did not experience too much shedding, even though it is a curly unit. There was some minor tangles, but of course that's with any curly unit. This hair is thick and luscious. The only thing that I didn't like personally is that the wig was very small, and it did say it was medium size, so the wig construction is smaller than usual, so my big head friendly girls, watch out for that. And yeah. Alright, the moment you guys have been waiting for. So I'm using a makeup wipe to just rub off the edges. So I just took off my elastic band from melting this unit. This lace is so gorgeous. So just take a makeup wipe that's not too wet and just rub that throughout the hairline to loosen up your baby hairs that you parted. I'm taking a hot comb just to press out these edges so it can form in that direction. If need be, definitely pluck a little bit more if you want to thin out your baby hairs. And once you are satisfied with it, I cut off using a eyebrow razor 2 inches. Well, I leave 2 inches of hair just so I can have room to cut some more, because if you cut your baby hairs too short, you can never go back. So definitely leave some room to cut and trim after curling your baby hairs. So you guys, this heating tool, which is a pencil flat iron, this is the secret to creating those S or C shape curls for your baby hairs. And this tool actually gives you the fluffy baby hair look that is not too like crisp and harsh, just more of a natural looking baby hair. Once you have your baby hairs curled, get your edge control brush or any brush and then just start brushing in a way like a C-shaped form to your hairs. Take your time with this step. Of course, as you can see, I take my time with it. Instead of using edge control or mousse, I like to use a hairspray that's not too harsh. So I'm using my She Products hairspray. It's like at a level 3. I just use that to comb over. This will create the fluffiness and it won't look too crisp and hard. It just looks like it's super natural and that's growing out of your scalp. I'm very tedious when it comes to these baby hairs, so you'll see me swoop these curls in the same spot 20 million times before I think it's good. But you see how I don't have to try that hard when creating these baby hairs because the baby hairs is already in a C form. And this can give you room to just be creative with your baby hairs, as you can see. I definitely do the same thing on the other side. If it's not laying too much, then you could definitely put a little spray over the hairs and then just use both hands to swoop those curls. Here I'm going to create an S-shaped curl. So as you can see, I put my finger down and then use the comb part to lift up the curl at the bottom so it can be a S type of curl. So I'm going to show you it again. So get a little spray And so see how I swoop right there, hold it down, and then I continue to hold it down and brush upwards so the curl can go up. This is called a S-shape curl. And don't be afraid to trim a little bit. And there you have it. That's basically it. That's how I create my baby hairs. And that is basically it. Thank you so much, Ali Pearl Hair, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.